We're now going to take a look at how we can ask Google Gemini to summarize our content for us. This is a helpful feature if you have a blog post or something, a blog post or a long document that you just want to give summaries to a colleague for. We can use Google Gemini to help us with that. So automatically, my Google Gemini chat pane is already open. But if it wasn't, you can just click it, it'll open. And you'll notice up at the top, under the Hello Ethan, how can I help you today? There is the summary of this content. So it'll give us a little summary automatically, which is really helpful. But then we also have the option to summarize this document in a specific format. So if I could say, summarize this document into one paragraph, I could say summarize this document in 10 bullet points, or I'll say in a list format. So maybe that's how we want to do it. So we can have it do it in different formats, which is great. Let's give it a second to do its thing. So great. It gives us some bullets, which is helpful. But I'm going to clear my history for a second, and we're going to go back and actually have it summarized in one paragraph. Let's see how it does, because it's kind of a cool thing. Give it a second. Great. And now it's taken this entire blog post that is about 2 pages, and it has summarized it into one paragraph. So this could be helpful if you're doing any type of marketing. We could even ask it, so let me ask it to summarize this document in a social media style post. So let's see what it does. Let's see if it can do that. Awesome. So we've asked Google Gemini to summarize this document in a social media style post. And now, so if we were working on some marketing things and we wanted to promote this blog post, we now have a way that we can do it. So we can include it with emojis. So it's really nice to be able to ask Google Gemini to do some of these things and kind of make our work life, it kind of helps us maximize the time that we have in our work life. So we can have it create social media posts, paragraphs, even bullet points of different summaries that we then can use to send out to our colleagues.